Hey Josh, I just wanted to bring you some paperwork that you guys requested, and I think that's pretty much everything. So hopefully we can go out and make some offers this weekend. So I was hearing that rates are maybe improving, but then I'm confused because the Feds raised rates yesterday. I just don't understand. But either way, can you just maybe help explain? Hey, well, thanks for your paperwork. I appreciate it. We'll be sure we get it over to the team immediately so we can update your file. Great question in regards to rates. Yeah, it's interesting, right? So the Feds are going to raise rates, and yet the market may come down. So how does that make sense? So with that, let's take a look at the charts and just kind of see. Okay, I'm going to try to get through this pretty quick now so that you can just get the tidbits of information that are most important, which are, okay, what is the difference between where we were on the 1st of July compared to today, the end of July, essentially, right? So in a 30-day time frame, as to why and where the market's going to go and why it's been where it's been, and inflationary numbers and expectations and all of that, we can talk about a little bit further. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, as we're happy to help at any point in time. Now, what is the difference in rate and payment? Now, when we're looking at this, anybody that's checking on this, and we know this is for a hypothetical buyer, right? That what is the difference in rate and payment over a 30-day period? And also, one other tidbit of information that I've added here is a strategy of using a seller credit to help with closing costs and or rate buy down. In this case, I've used a simple $5,000 rate buy down. The scenario is a $600,000 purchase, right here, with a 5% down, which would yield a 570 loan. So as you can see, it's exactly the same across the board. Now, you're going to see this is the semi-equipped portion, is the 10,000 foot elevation of what this looks like. So you're going to see the total of the payment, which is going to be inclusive. If you click on more info here, you will see inclusive of all of these other things, right? So you're looking at, there's your principal and interest, there's your property taxes, homeowners insurance, estimated mortgage insurance, and total monthly payment that's yielding. Now, if there's any HOAs or anything else that's going to be added to that. So obviously we're going to check the homeowners insurance and property taxes from property to property, as they will vary. So we can talk about that a little bit further, but right now we're focusing on the difference in the payment. For July 1st, rate was at roughly 5.5, 600,000, 5% down. Estimated payment is 4,000 some change. Okay. Today, we're looking at obviously same scenario, 5% down, difference in par rate, which means no points, 4 7/8 roughly. Lowers the payment by $219. If you are a graph person and you like seeing what the difference in payment is from A to B, there you go. Here's A, here's B, here's A, here's B. So $219 less per month. Let's take it one step further. Let's say now we go to the seller and we ask, by means of your realtor, if we can maybe get a seller credit to help with closing costs or a rate buy down. That is a scenario that is illustrated here in option C. Same purchase price, same loan amount, lower rate. Now we're talking a lower payment. Now we're at $348 less per month compared to where we were on July 1st with a $5,000 seller credit, same sales price, same down payment. So when we're talking about trying to figure out how to lower your payment and increase your affordability, or possibly increase your purchase price qualification range, these are strategies to be able to do that. Wow. $350 would really help right now. And you know what? That actually gives us an opportunity to potentially buy a car. I'm stoked that you were able to show me that. Thank you so much, Josh. And I love the strategies. We'll be letting you know if we make an offer this weekend, and have a good weekend.